If you wanna go to hell when you died, then skip this video. If you wanna go to heaven when you died, then see this video. This video is related to the love. We love our enemies, we love our neighbors, we love all the people. Same. You have heard that it was said, you will shall love your neighbor and hate your enemy. But I say to you, love your enemies, bless those who cure you, do good to those who hate you, and praise for those who spiteful use you and persecute you, that you may be sons of your Father in heaven, for he makes his sun rise on the evil and on the good, and send rain on the just and on the unjust. For if you love those who love you, what reward have you? Don't even the tax collector do the same? And if you greet your brethren only, what you do you more than others? Don't even the tax collector do so? Therefore you shall be perfect, just your Father in heaven is perfect. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons of God. Therefore be imitators of God as dear children, and walk in love as Christ also has loved us and given himself for us an offspring and a sacrifice to God for a sweet smelling aroma. He causes the grass to grow for the cattle and vegetation for the service of man, that he may bring forth food from the earth, and wine that makes glad the heart of man, oil to make his face shiny, and bread which strengthens man's heart. But love your enemies, do good, and lead, hoping for nothing in return, and your reward will be great, and you will be sons of Most High, for he is kind to unthankfully and evil. Therefore be merciful, just as your Father also is merciful. Nevertheless, he did not leave himself without witness, in that he did good, gave us rain from heaven and fruitful seasons, filling your heart with good and gladness. The Son of Man came eating and drinking, and they say, look, a glutton and a winebibber, a friend of tax collector and sincere, but wisdom is justified by herself. For John came to you in the way of righteousness, and you did not believe him, but tax collector and harlots believed him, and when you saw it, you did not afterward relent and believe him. But if you love those who love you, what credit is that to you? For even sincere love those who love them. And if you good to those who do good to you, what credit is that to you? For even sincere to the same. Now it came to pass in those days when Moses was grown, that he went out to his brethren and looked at their burdenness, and he saw an Egyptian beating a Hebrew, one of his brethren. Behold, how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together